Sarah's gonna pass out. I can't handle it. You can't do it in pain. And here's the cotton to push it out with after.
Sarah's gonna hurt.
With alcohol?
Yes.
That will burn.
No, that
yes,
will burn.
I want it out.
She wants it to burn.
We're squirting.
No,
It's a
you're not
squirter.
squirting. You're putting a needle in the side, Courtney, in this bottom right side, like down here. Yeah, and then you're pushing this out. Pushing. Okay. On it. It's gonna hurt to push on it. Okay. You got it?
Here, I'll hold it.
Sarah has a problem. Let Johanna hold it. Someone else has got to hold it.
Sarah's got more than she can handle.
This is what a divorce does to you, everybody.
You just spit on my face, Johanna.
Somebody fart.
That is so gross. That's too low.
I can't break the skin.
You do it up. No, do it up.
Do you need a sharper needle?
Do it in the middle.
It's hurting. What do you mean?
It's gonna hurt. Just accept it. Did you pop it?
I did a little.
Oh! No, you gotta. Here, I'll hold it like that. You stick it right in the middle.
Yowzers!
Did the skin break?
No.
No, not yet. Why do you have such a dull needle?
Yeah, it's pretty dull. Ow! Ow! Ow!